let's move further with the next question. What is the next question trying to say? It says sine raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a is 2 sine square a minus 1. So we write down our LHS as sine raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a. Children, can I write down this to the power 4 as sine square a the whole square minus cos square a the whole square? Sine square a the whole square minus cos square a the whole square. Don't you think so that eventually we have converted this into a square minus b square? Just tell yourself that within this particular sum, your a is sine square a, your b is cos square a. So answer is, whenever we have a square minus b square, we shall write down a minus b, which is nothing but sine square a minus cos square a plus b, which is sine square a plus cos square a. Children, sine square a minus cos square a as it is within the bracket into, what is sine square a plus cos square a, children? What is sine square a plus cos square a? Within the help of identity, can I say sine square a plus cos square a is 1? We'll just write down, since sine square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Sine square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Now children, over here, I'll just write down once again this particular statement so that I can say we don't have any more parentheses and we don't have this one also. Now after this is what I'm going to look at my question. What my question has 2 sine square a minus 1. So there is no cos square a in my answer, that is in my RHS. We don't want any cos square a. But as of now, we have cos square a. That means we want to get rid of this cos square a. When I say we want to get rid of this cos square a, that doesn't mean that we simply erase it off. Sir, erase this, we got rid of. No, we cannot do that. Whenever we want to get rid of any term, that can be made only and only via identity, using an identity, or for that matter any relation. Mind you, getting rid of any term will be done via identity or any relation, children. So I'll write down sine square a as it is minus cos square a. Children, can I write down cos square a as 1 minus sine square a? Cos square a will be written as 1 minus sine square a. Why? You all are aware. What is the reason? Reason is, since sine square a plus cos square a is equals to 1, therefore cos square a is 1 minus sine square a. Cos square a is nothing but 1 minus sine square a. Open the bracket, children. Sine square a minus 1, minus of minus plus sine square a. Sine square a plus sine square a, 2 sine square a minus 1. Sine square a plus sine square a, 2 sine square a minus 1. If you happen to look, that's what my RHS is. That's what my RHS is. Since LHS is equals to RHS, therefore you can write down the entire question. Sine raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a is equals to 2 sine square a minus 1. Was a very easy question, right children? Right? I hope it's very simple.